An Audi RS6 crashed after dangerous race and police chase, which was a part of video game challenge in Sevilla, Spain. Spanish police arrested a 21-year-old Brit and temporarily detained a 19-year-old Irish passenger. The Brit was at the wheel of a rented Audi RS6 and, over a 6.2-mile race through the city centre, performed incredibly dangerous maneuvers, before coming to a halt against a post, up on the side rail. The police engaged in chasing the vehicle after several reports of dangerous driving. The driver refused to stop when first summoned, and performed very dangerous maneuvers in a bid to escape the police tail. The police believe that the race and subsequent chase were part of a new challenge inspired by a popular video game. The rules of the challenge say that an Audi RS6 must be rented and driven onto public roads in as dangerous a manner as possible.